In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resubmit tax information in Google AdSense. If your tax details have changed, were entered incorrectly, or Google has asked you to update them, resubmitting your information is quick once you know where to go. I'll walk you through the exact path and share a few helpful tips so your update is smooth and accurate. First, go to your Google Ads account using your usual browser and sign in. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top of the interface. Click into the search bar and type the word tax. This search pulls up the area where your tax forms are managed. In the results, you should see an option labeled Update Tax Info. Click that option to open your tax settings. On this page, you may see a notice that says, if you start a new form, your previously submitted form will be removed. That's normal when you're resubmitting. It simply means the new information you provide will replace the old form on file. Go ahead and select Start New Form to continue. Now, fill out the necessary details and follow the prompts on your screen. Provide accurate information that matches your official records. Use your legal name exactly as it appears on your tax documents. Make sure your address is current and enter your tax identification number without any extra characters or spaces. If the form asks you to select a tax status or classification, pick the one that correctly reflects your situation. Read each question carefully and use any help icons or on-screen explanations if something isn't clear. Take a moment to double-check everything before you move forward. Typos in names, addresses, or tax numbers are common reasons for delays. If the form offers a review screen, scan it line by line and confirm that all entries are complete and consistent. Avoid sharing sensitive details out loud or on-screen, and only enter them directly into the secure form. When you're ready, follow the final prompts to submit the form. Remember, submitting a new form replaces the previous one, so the most recent version becomes your active record. After submission, you'll typically see a confirmation message in your account indicating the form was received. Processing can take a little time, so don't worry if the status doesn't update immediately. That's it. You went to your Google Ads account, searched for tax, clicked Update Tax Info, started a new form, and filled out the required details by following the on-screen prompts. With careful review and accurate information, your AdSense tax profile will be up to date and ready for future payments.